Most businesses wait until a process is already failing before trying to improve it. Machines get installed, layouts get built, processes become complicated. Then, teams spend years fighting inefficiency afterwards. This is exactly the problem 3P was designed to solve. 3P stands for Production Preparation Process. It is a lean method used to design products, processes, and workspaces correctly from the beginning, instead of fixing problems later. The goal is simple: eliminate waste before the process even starts operating. 3P became popular through lean manufacturing and the Toyota production system. Instead of relying on traditional planning alone, teams physically test different layouts, workflows, and production ideas before implementation. Imagine a company building a new production line. Without 3P, machines might be installed based purely on available floor space. Later, operators discover excessive walking, poor flow, safety risks, and bottlenecks. But with 3P, teams experiment with different process designs first. They test movement, material flow, workstation layout, and operator interaction before committing to the final setup. This helps businesses reduce wasted motion, shorten lead times, improve flow, and avoid expensive redesign work later. 3P also encourages cross-functional collaboration. Operators, engineers, maintenance teams, and leadership all contribute ideas during the design stage. The important idea is this: the cheapest time to remove waste is before the process goes live, because once bad systems become operational, fixing them becomes far more difficult and expensive. The companies that improve fastest are usually not the ones constantly repairing broken processes. They are the ones designing better systems from the. Explore free templates, calculators, courses, videos, and software tools at simplicityhub.co.uk. Simplicity Hub, making things simple.